Hey everyone, Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to discuss about the YouTube Studio. It is an application where if you are new to YouTuber, then this video is going to be very important for you. So I will suggest you to watch it till end. And if you like the video, then please subscribe our channel. Also press the bell icon so you can be updated. So here we are in YouTube Studio, and let me tell you what will you do. First of all, you can see that here we have some notifications, and if you go on home page, which is written dashboard, then you can see here content. And if you will click on any video, then this interface will be appeared. And let me tell you one more thing, that here we have watch time, subscribers and views, and you can see in that channel we have 134 views and 1.6 watch hours. And as if you want to monetize your channel, then you need 4k watch time plus 1k subscriber. But on this channel we just have 155 subscribers and only two videos. And if you have more videos, then you can see more here. And let me tell you one thing, that on content you can see videos, live and shorts. On live, if you will be live, then you can get this option. And I will tell you how to come live from your mobile and your PC. And if you want to learn that, please do like to write a comment. And here you can see shorts. I just have one short in that channel, so you can see here. And if you want to change its thumbnail, then you will click on the pencil button, which is on the top corner. And you can also write the title. It is so important to write the correct title, description and text. And as you can see that I have written all the metadata here. And it is about how to come live from your mobile. So I have written here the same title. And now I will tell you how can you change a thumbnail. If you want to create a new thumbnail, then you will click on create thumbnail. And if you want to select any of them, then you can select that. Let me tell you more things. Here I will tell you some more things, like if you want to change something else if in videos. Here in this video I am focusing just on your content. After that I will discuss analytics, and there are much more that we can discuss. So here I don't want to change thumbnail, so I will simply click on discard. But if I want to change it, then I will select that. So after discard, I will go back to the same interface I told you earlier. Now it is also important to select audience. As my video was not about kids, so I will simply select no, it's not made for kids. And moreover, there is also an option of restrict my video to viewers over 18. And no, don't restrict my videos to viewers over 18. If you are working on adult content, then you will simply select on the first option. And it is so important to write this description, text, title, and it is called metadata. And if you will complete this, then you will definitely successfully make your videos rank on YouTube channel. And here you can see visibility and much more. And now let me tell you about the bottom line, which is dashboard, content and analytics, comment and playlist. So here we have different options in our YT Studio. If you want to download the YT Studio, then you will simply go on Google Play, then write YouTube Studio, and you will be there. Now I will tell you about account. If you want to see what is in your account, you can simply go on the three dots on the right corner, and you will see these options. Now what will we do? We will simply click on settings. And after clicking on settings, you can see we have different options. If you want dark theme, then you will click on dark theme. Let me tell you, look, hey, like this you can change your theme. But I don't like dark themes, even I like lightning more, so I will not select that. Now you will also select comments and each and everything. I will suggest you to go and explore about that. Now let me explain something more about that. If you have any query and you want to ask from YouTube, then you will simply go on send feedback, and there you will get their response. Moreover, if you want to get help, you will simply go on, click on help, and at the end it is an option of YouTube, and you will click over that and you will go to the YouTube. You will get out from YouTube Studio and will get in your YouTube channel. So hopefully this will work for you.